Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let us learn further about factorization. The question has been written on the screen, x squared plus 29x plus 100. You have to make factors of the third term. What is the third term here? Third term is 100. Let us make factors of 100. So yes, 1 multiplied by 100, 2 multiplied by 50. What about 3? No. What about 4? Yes. 4 multiplied by, yes. You can tell me 4 multiplied by, you can just divide over here and you will get the term. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So small 2 is here and 4 fives are 20. 4 multiplied by 25. What about 5? Yes. You can divide over here. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 5 zeros are 0. 5 multiplied by 20. What about any more number? Yes, you have. It's 10. 10 multiplied by 10 will give you 100. So these are the factors of 100. Now you have to select any one. And you have to select like this, adding them. How do I know it's adding? Because this is the plus sign. Plus sign is showing us you have to add the two factors and you have to get 29. 29 is the middle term, right? So you have to select the correct choice. First one is not correct. Second one, 2 multiplied by 50. No, you will not get 29. 50 plus 2 will not give you 29. What about the third choice? 4 multiplied by 25. This is the correct one. 4 multiplied by 25, when you add them, 25 plus 4 will give you 29, and 29 is the middle term. So 4 multiplied by 25 is the correct choice. You have to write over here. Four multiplied by 25. X square plus 4x plus 25x plus 100. Now take a common factor from the first two terms. X is a common factor. What are the remaining terms? X plus 4. Take common factor from the last two terms. 25 is a common factor. What is left? X plus 4. X plus 4 is left inside the bracket. So X plus 4 and X plus 25. Like this, the factorization is completed. X plus 4 and X plus 25. Let's take the new question now. Now you have x squared plus 3x minus 4. You have to make factors of the third term. What is the third term here? 4. Make factors of 4. 1 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4. Now, subtracting them. How do I know we have to subtract? Because this sign is very important. Subtracting them, you have to get the middle term. What is the middle term? It's 3. Middle term is 3x, but b is 3. How do I know it's b? because when I compare ax square plus bx plus c, b is 3. I have to get b. b is 3 over here. So what is the correct choice? 1 multiplied by 4 or 2 multiplied by 2? What is the correct choice? 1 multiplied by 4 is the correct one. How do I know? Because when I subtract 4 and 1, I will get 3, right? 4 minus 1 will give you 3. So this is the correct one. Let's continue. X square plus 4x minus x minus 4. You can write 1x also first. Okay, it will make no difference. And 4x also or 1x also. It's the same thing. Now taking common, x is a common factor and x plus 4 is left inside the bracket. When no factor has been common, it means 1 is common. Minus 1 is common over here. What is left in the bracket? X plus 4. X plus 4 is left in the bracket. So now let's continue further. X minus 1 and x plus 4. Like this, our factorization is completed. X minus 1 and x plus 4. This is the answer. So let's take another question now. X square plus 8x minus 33. You have to make factors of 33. 1 multiplied by 33 will give you 33. What about 2? No, it's not coming in the table of 2. What about 3? Yes. 3 multiplied by 11 will give you 33. What about next? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the choice, 1 multiplied by 33 and 3 multiplied by 11. Now, minus is the sign. Minus is the sign. What is it showing to us? It means that you have to subtract the two factors to get the middle term. What is the middle term? It's 8, right? So what is the correct choice? 1 multiplied by 33 is wrong. This is the correct choice. 3 multiplied by 11. How do I know? Because 11 minus 33 will give you 8. Okay, 11 minus 3 will give you 8. So let's continue. X square plus 11x minus 3x minus 33. X is a common factor here. X plus 11 is left. Now take common from the last two terms. Minus 3 is common. Now what is left? X plus 11. X plus 11 is left. If you are confused with this, if you're not understanding this, always go one step backward, okay, to clear your calculations. So I'm going one step back. I'm going to multiply minus 3 with x. I will get minus 3x. Yes, it is correct, minus 3x. Now I'm going to multiply minus 3 with 11. What is the answer? Minus 33. Yes, minus 33. It is correct. Okay, whenever you're not understanding or you're thinking that maybe you're wrong, always go one step behind to check your answer, to verify your answer. So as I told you before also, the two brackets should be same. X plus 11 and x plus 11. I'm talking about these two brackets, x plus 11 and x plus 11. They should be same. Yes, they are same. It means the factorization is done correctly. X plus 11 and x minus 3. Okay, sometimes it happens that maybe in your exam equals to 0. Okay, equation will come, quadratic equation will come. X square plus 8x minus 33 equals to 0. In that case, what is the answer? Okay, these are the factors only. Now, what is the answer? X plus 11 is equal to 0. Now, x is equal to minus 11, right? Next is x minus 3 equals to 0. So, x is equal to 3. Now, how to verify your answer? You have to substitute x is equal to negative 11 and x is equal to positive 3 in the question. You have to substitute, okay? X is equal to negative 11 and x is equal to 3. Substitute in the question, then the question will be satisfied. You are going to get a 0. Okay, it means that yes, your answer is correct and you have made the correct factors. Now let's take another question now. Okay. X squared plus 5x minus 6. The third term is 6. Make factors of 6. 1 multiplied by 6. 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, and minus. Again, check the minus sign. The third term is having negative sign. It means that you have to subtract the two factors and you are going to get the middle term 5. So this is the correct choice. 3 multiplied by 2. Really? Is it the correct choice? You have to subtract. You're not going to add. Okay, again, I am telling you something very important. This subtraction is very important. You have to subtract. When you subtract 3 minus 2, you will get 1. It means this is the wrong choice. Okay, most of the students are confused with this. This is the correct choice. 6 and 1 is the correct choice because 6 minus 1 will give you 5. Right? Again, I'm repeating, don't take 2 multiply by 3. This is wrong. Because subtraction, this is not adding, this is subtracting. This minus sign is showing that you have to subtract the two factors and you will get the middle term 5. No, when you subtract 3 and 2, it will not give you 5, it will give you 1. So this is the correct one, 6 and 1. 6 minus 1 will give you 5. X squared plus 6x minus x minus 6. So x is a common factor here, x plus 6 is left. Minus 1 is a common factor. Again, x plus 6 is left. So x minus 1 and x plus 6. These are the factors of this quadratic equation, x squared plus 5x minus 6. This is the answer, x minus 1 and x plus 6. Okay, thank you so much for attending this lecture. And I'm just waiting for your doubts. Just post your doubts. Thank you so much. See you next time.